Hi to everyone and welcome to Auntie Knows Kitchen. Well, Auntie Knows Kitchen, I cook everything. At least I try. No, I don't try. I actually do cook everything. But I'm getting ready for my next upload, and if you look at my apron, it'll give you a clue of where I'm going, what cuisine I'm going to. But before I get started with that, I wanted to take you a tour of Auntie Knows Kitchen. This is the heart of my house for me. This is where my space is. This is my peaceful space. And my husband and my daughter know when I'm in here, my domain, they say when I'm in here and I'm enthralled in whatever I'm doing. They say, oh, I become a diva. No, I don't. I just don't like anyone in here when I'm in here. This is my world. So sit back, tune in, while I take you on a tour of Auntie Knows Kitchen. This is where I store all my aprons. I love my aprons. Sometimes, whatever I'm cooking, I like to be in the spirit of whatever I'm cooking. I love my pretty aprons. My aprons are themed, feeling a little sassy. This is my diva apron. My little Italian apron. I have my French apron because I love anything related to Paris. I love Japan, and I really love geishas. That's why I bought this one, because it had the big geisha on it. I just love geishas. My son and his wife are going to go to Japan, and the only thing I asked them for, I told my son, I want you guys to bring me back a geisha doll. And this reminds me of my grandmother. Her favorite color was pink, and she always had a flower apron. This one, was cute. But this is my apron rack, and this is where I keep my aprons. This is my Java station. I love my coffee. I do. Just something I love. Got to get my day started. Yeah, we do use a lot of disposable ware. Auntie is about keeping her life simple and easy. I have my little frappe mix down in that container. This is my spices. Any spice that's out there, I get it because I make my own, and I love, gosh, you just don't know how much I love to cook. And so I'm really having fun on YouTube. It's just about having fun, and it's just so much fun. I can't even explain how much fun it is. These are my large spices, and anything that I need to make whatever I want to make. As they say, it's in here. These are my alcohols for dishes that I do need alcohol to make my wines and my liquors. Basically, these are my baking things. All my different flours and cornmeals. Your yellow cornmeal, your white cornmeal, your wheat flour. Again, my coffee station. And this way, I have to have this to get my morning started. My overhead pantry. This side is strictly for all my Asian cuisines. When I say Asian, it doesn't necessarily mean Chinese. I mean, this is where I keep all my spices for Chinese, Japanese, Korean. This is where it's happened. Those are the cuisines that I can prepare very well, is Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. This side is, see, my Asian spices run over to the other side because that cultural cuisine is so big. This side is where I keep a lot of my different oils. And during the winter, can't really go outside and grill unless you got a warm day. So I have my different variety of liquid smokes along with my other spices and things like that. I have my different marinades, things I use for my marinades. So this is my overhead cabinet. I have a reacher for this. Used to get my daughter or my husband to get my things. But this is my overhead pantry. This is my baking pantry where I keep all my flavorings and my cornstarch and my cocos, my extracts, and like my extracts, my flavors, all my different food colors. This is basically where this is my go-to for immediately, like all my ingredients for my various baking needs. This is my cart. I'm a person, I think everything has a place. So all my utensils has its own drawer. And I like for everything to be in order. It's an OCD thing. Like all my knives have to be in this top drawer. I don't like any, if one of my knives, these are steak knives. I want steak knives to have sleeves. If one of my knives is out of order or one of the sleeves is missing, I'm sorry, I don't want it. I won't use it. I'll give it away. My silicone, my nylon utensils, I have my stainless steel. Down here is where I keep all my dishcloths, my dry rags, and down that bottom is where I keep my trivets and hand mittens and things like that of that nature. So this is my utensil cart. My kitchen, I've always loved the Italian Tuscany wine grape thing. So my kitchen has been, even at our other house, my kitchen was in wine and Italian thing. But I'm telling you guys, you want to keep your family from scratching up your table, because I don't want scratches on my table. I put a towel down. So this is, if they use something like put a picture on, it won't mess up my wood. Again, that's that OCD, and I'm funny about stuff. Me and my husband have been together for 33 years. He's used to me. And this is how my kitchen is decorated. Like I said, I love my wine and grape theme. So this is it. This is my wine and grape theme. I love it. I'm not ever going to change it because this is what I like. And so thank you for stopping in to take a tour of my kitchen, the heart of my house for me. So I've got to go because I got to prepare for this next cooking upload. So until then, have an awesome evening.